3 legit side hustles to earn passive income. Did you know that there are legit methods to earn money online? And millions of people do it every day. You can do many home-based business ideas with your laptop and a reliable internet connection. Although these methods can take you some time before you enjoy your profit, they are still worth checking out and doing, especially if you want serious side hustles that are highly profitable in the long run. With that, I share 3 legit side hustles to earn passive income. You can do your 9-to-5 job to get that regular income and do the side hustle whenever you have free time. What's good with side hustles is that you are your own boss. You get to choose what you do, when you want to do it, and how much you can make off it. So, get your gadgets because today I'll teach you how to earn passive income into your own liking. Hi there, welcome to Make Wired. In this channel, I'll show you the best tips and tricks in the financial spaces, business, and entrepreneurship. Make Wired is created to help as many people as possible make money online from the comfort of their homes. Just sit back, relax, and learn how to make money work for you. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you're always updated on my latest videos. Do you want to earn passive income online? If you do, then this video is for you. It doesn't matter where you come from because you can do this wherever you are. Keep watching this video and start making money by doing these top 3 legit side hustles. Number 1. Low content books. Selling low content books on Amazon. What exactly is a low content book? A low content book is similar to this journal. You can see that there are only these lines here and I'm writing on them. Someone had to create this beautiful journal, and that someone could be you. The good news is that because you're selling on Amazon, Amazon will handle everything for you. They manage the shipping, the printing, the production, and the customer service. What you only need to do is to create the design cover and decide what is going to be inside the book. Will there be calendars, prompts for bullet journals, questionnaires, motivational quotes, and other such things? You don't have to be an expert to do this. You can use design websites like Canva to do this. You can also use bookvault.com. This website makes designing and producing low-content books simple. You can do a low-content book in a day or less and just list it immediately on Amazon. The printing and delivery are taken care of by Amazon. You receive a portion of every sale that one of your designs makes. Selling low-content books on Amazon is an easy way to earn passive income quickly, but you'll need a great strategy to make this work. So, I'll share 2 tips to help you make money from this side hustle. But before we get into those, go to bookvault.io and click Start for free. You will make an account, fill in all the necessary details, and register. Note that BookVault has a monthly subscription, so you must pay and fill in your credit details. But their subscription is affordable for as low as $9.99 for a newbie account and $19.99 for a pro account. Once you've created an account, you can start making your own designs. First, find something to sell. Go to the cloud, set your filters, and search for products. You will see low and high competition for products, so you can just choose your niche and book ideas. I suggest you choose those with intense competition, although they can be more challenging to create. The next step is to create a cover and the book's interior design. There are templates that you can use to get a head start. When you're done designing, the next step is to upload your product. But before you do that, fill in your product name, title, and description first. Make sure to use the right keywords when listing your product to appear more in organic search, which will likely increase your sales. After that, you can just upload your design, wait for orders, and let Amazon do their part. And you're done. Now, I have 2 insider tips to help boost your sales. Utilizing the BookVault research tool is the first thing you would need to do. This is fantastic because it reveals the specific top-selling products. This would save you time and help you choose what to sell. Avoid simply publishing books at random and hope for the best. See what people are buying and get in line to get money off that. They have a keyword research tool, which is excellent because it identifies the keywords you should use to get your book visible in organic search. My next tip for you is to sign up for one of BookVault's weekly support calls. Every week, you'll be on a call with a representative from BookVault so that you are not entering this side hustle alone. You can express your questions and get assistance. Combining these two gives you the best possibility of earning passive money. Take 3 to 9 months here and genuinely put in the effort. Do your research and you'll be making thousands of dollars before you know it. Number 2. User-generated content. This side hustle is for anyone with a good camera on their phone. This one is called User-generated content or UGC. If you've been to TikTok recently, you'll notice that UGC is taking over. But what exactly is UGC? UGC is unique brand-specific content produced by customers and shared on social media or other platforms. UGC can take many forms, such as pictures, movies, reviews, recommendations, or even podcasts by actual customers. Companies are constantly spending money on marketing, but consumers are now more intelligent when choosing the products they buy. They don't like it when they're watching something and get interrupted by ads. So companies are now trying to make ads more natural for the average consumer. So when they scroll through it, it doesn't look like an ad. It just looked like some random TikTok was made. Companies are now paying ordinary people and actual customers to do marketing for them. Companies want you to create a 15-second video for them, and they want the video to look natural. Since it was more effective than traditional ads, they are now employing it for their ads. When I tell you that people are making decent money, I'm talking about hundreds of dollars for each video, and these videos are only 15 to 30 seconds long. There are 2 reasons why businesses are now going for UGC. First, these ads are performing better than those produced in a studio regarding generating sales. Second, they are less expensive to produce. The production studios charge $4,000 to $5,000 for a 15 to a 30-second video ad. But ordinary people charge only $500 to $1,000. To get started, create a TikTok account or Instagram Reel account and create a 15 to 30-second video ad on the usual things you can find at home. Upload this on your account to make a portfolio. You can also create an account on Fiverr and Upwork to get more clients. What's good about this side hustle is that you don't need to have big followers on your account. You just need to have the right skills and expertise to get clients. Number 1. Direct marketing. Next, we have business-to-business or B2B direct marketing. B2B marketing is any marketing approach or content aimed toward a company. B2B marketing methods are used by companies selling products or services to other businesses rather than consumers. The goal of B2B marketing is to familiarize other companies with your brand name and the value of your product or service to turn them into customers. With B2B, businesses will generate sales directly from any marketing or advertising this company uses. Some B2B methods include sending emails to business contacts and pursuing them to purchase this item. To earn money regardless of the economy, you must engage in B2B because this is an essential job. Companies always need to market themselves, so there's always an opportunity for everyone to get into this hustle. B2B, companies use a hard sell, which means they target direct sales from other businesses. You will be a vital part of that business if you work as a B2B direct marketer. Anything you're doing for that company is immediately bringing them money. So, you're not just a side hustler or a freelancer. You're a money printing machine for that company. Email marketing is an example of direct marketing since you are active in the sales email process. You might be in charge of sales page writing or sales page design. You could also write Facebook ads, And when people see them, they will want to purchase them because of what you wrote, the image you created, or the video you posted. Google Ads, YouTube ads, and anything linked to ads is essentially B2B. Businesses will constantly strive to make more money. So if you can assist them in getting that money, you'll also get money for yourself. You are not required to charge a fixed cost for your service. You can charge a percentage of the business's revenue. So if you make them more money, you receive more money. So to get started, you need to learn how to do this first. Take note that B2B requires specific skills and expertise. You can just tell a company, hey, I can do B2B marketing for you. Hire me now. That's not how B2B works. First, you learn how to do this job by taking online courses, watching tutorials, and reading about this industry. Go to Skillshare, HubSpot, and Google to take free online courses about B2B. You can also learn by watching YouTube tutorials. You'll need some time to learn the skills necessary for this job. I recommend that you make a 30-day plan. For example, you will study B2B through online resources in the first 2 weeks. Take 2 to 3 hours a day to study and ensure you understand the courses. Then, for the next 2 weeks, you're going to allot in Upwork, Fiverr, and other freelancing platforms to set up your profile and eventually get clients. This side hustle can potentially become a regular job that will earn you thousands of dollars each month. Take some time and ensure you get all the necessary skills to succeed in this job. So there you have it. These are the top 3 side hustles you can do to earn passive income. These are some of the best ways to make thousands of dollars each month. You can do this as a side hustle, or you can also pursue this as a regular job that earns you more. I hope you learned a lot from this video. Do you want to know other ways to make money online? Let me know in the comments so I can share more tips next time. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, share it with your family and friends so they can also make money online. See you later!